Hi, how are you today?
Hello, I'm good, and you?
I'm great, thank you.
That's nice.
What's your name?
My name is Emma. What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Thank you.
You look nice today.
That's very kind.
I like your smile. Do you come here often?
Yes, sometimes. I like this place.
Me too. It's very nice here.
The atmosphere is great.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Really? What do you study?
I study business.
That's fascinating.
What do you do in your free time?
I like music and sports.
That's cool.
What about you?
I like reading and traveling.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Nice. I like pop too.
Do you have a favorite singer?
Yes, I do. Do you live in this city?
Yes, I do.
I like this city.
Me too. It is beautiful.
What's your dream?
I want to travel the world.
That's amazing.
And you?
I want to start my own business. I really enjoyed talking with you.
Me too.
Maybe we can meet again.
Yes, that would be nice.
See you soon.
See you soon.